Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making soft and fluffy chocolate donuts. Cafe style donuts right at home. Simple and delicious. In a bowl, take 110 ml warm milk. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and let it rest for 5 minutes. Use warm milk, not hot, that keeps the yeast alive and active. Now add 1 and 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon butter, and 1 egg. Mix and knead to make a smooth dough. The donut's hole helps them fry evenly inside and out. Don't over-knead the dough. A soft dough makes lighter donuts. Rub a little oil. Cover and keep aside for 40 minutes. Once the dough rises, take some dough. Roll it out. And cut into donut shapes with a cutter. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown. Always fry in medium heat. Too high and they burn outside but stay raw inside. Using milk makes the donut richer in calcium and protein. You can replace sugar with jaggery for a more natural sweetness. Whole wheat flour can be used for extra fiber. Dark chocolate filling gives antioxidants and a richer taste. Coat them with sugar. Make a small hole and fill with chocolate spread. Let them cool slightly before filling to keep the chocolate smooth and melty. And that's it, homemade chocolate donuts that are fluffy, sweet and totally delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Tell me in the comments, would you fill your donuts with chocolate jam or cream next time?